Welcome class to lesson 03 or week 3. You guys are doing a great job, and just want to compliment you on your work and just give you some tips for lesson 03. So if I were a student, again you don't have those lesson notes, I would first go to the introduction. There's a 2-minute video here to watch, but also has your learning goal focus, becoming a covenant keeper. So I just read through that introduction and go next to the study assignment, right? And you guys know, here's what you'll prepare your minds for, and as you read the lesson, Truths to Ponder. Again, you can click there, and I just read those 2 assignments and those readings there. Now, after I'm done with those instructions and those reading assignments, have chosen three different passages, and I'll go straight to the study group initial insights. Remember, this is due on Wednesday. But you prepare by completing those assignments, looking for connections, patterns, and themes. Select 3 passages which inspired you most, and then you'll go to your study group. Now, remember, here's what you're going to do in your thread. So you'll go to a new thread in your study group, and you'll expound. So you'll write a reference or a quote from the talk that you read, and then in a very short annotation, 1 paragraph or so, explain why these passages inspired you and what insight or meaning you gained from them. Describe the connections, patterns, and themes you discovered. So you can consider one of these following: connections, patterns, and themes that help explain key events or scriptures, or B, connections, patterns, and themes that have personal meaning or relevance, or C, connections, patterns, and themes that inspire a message to share with the world. And then don't forget to ask your questions. So if you need that study group grading rubric, go ahead and look at that. But I'm going to just click on this. Oh, it's right there. Click on that really quick. That'll take you to the study group. You'll select a new thread. Let me go back. I'll just cancel it. It'll be a start new thread. You'll enter a subject. Remember, you'll need 3 passages. So I've got 1, 2, and 3 there separated, followed by a question at the end. It's easier for me to read if you do it that way and just have them separated like that. So thank you for doing that. So go and close that. We'll leave. And I'm going to go back to the initial insight. So you can either go to your last or final insights there, or you can go back up here to your final insights. So this is due on Saturday, but what you'll do is you'll go back to your study group and you'll select 2 of your group's threads, and answer the question posed or expound on a comment offered. Remember, it's not just a, hey, this was a really cool comment. Make sure you expound and add insight, drawing on your own understanding with that. So, great. When you're done with that final insight, again, the final insight in this reflection and synthesis is due on Saturday, 11 Mountain Standard Time. Now I'm going to go to this template. You'll download and go to that document. And again, all I really want to point you here to here is the word count. So less than 100 words in that learning goal focus, 200 and 300 words. But remember, it says list your word count at the top of your response. Same with the personal relevance. List your word count, and then synthesis and application to the real world. List your word count at the top. When you're done with that, go to your weekly report, which shouldn't take you very long to finish. So go ahead and finish that weekly report and submit your report, and you'll be done. Thanks for your good work. Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.